welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to cook stir fry squid with the bell pepper. Yan guys, in the Chinese style. Ayan ang squid, yung bell pepper, green bell pepper, paminta, ginger, onions, and garlic. You can put also some light spices and then some rice wine and some oyster sauce and salt. Salt guys. Cooking for my dinner guys. Ayan na, mainit yung kawali. We put some oil. We put some oil guys. Stir fry squid with the bell pepper, green bell pepper. So you want to put first the ginger, next the onion, guys. Then put some garlic. Garlic, then the squid. Next guys, the bell pepper, green bell pepper. Malapit na maluto. Kasi pag overcook siya guys, matigas yung laman niya. Dapat saglit lang yan. Okay guys, put some rice wine. Papawala ng lansa. 2 kutsara. Guys, lagyan ko ng sesame oil. Smell good na guys. Okay guys, lagyan natin ng sarap. Just a little bit for the tasty. Dinner ko to guys. Dinner namin ng partner ko. Lagyan na natin yung sesame oil for the fragrance, so the aroma is good. So, almost done guys. Look yan. Luto na to. Patayin na natin. Wow. Patay na, ilipat na natin din sa lalagyan. Patay-kain na tayo mamaya. Ayun na yung homemade stir fry squid with the bell pepper. The green bell pepper in the Chinese style. Kain na tayo mamaya guys. Kain na yung rice. For dinner guys. Dinner guys, let's go. Hey guys, dinner time. Ayan na yung stir fry squid with the green bell pepper and 1 banana. Ayan o, ayan pa natin. Nakain na yung partner ko guys, kaya kaunti na lang yan. Okay guys, kain tayo. Okay guys, let's eat. Dinner time. Kain, makan, chufan. Tikman na natin guys, yung luto ko. Yan. Tama lang ang lasa. Really yum. Hindi na ako nagluto ng marami, guys. Hindi maubos. Kaya ito na lang niluto namin. Sarap. Tama lang lasa. Okay guys, that's it for today. If you're new here in my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comments below, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.